Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Escape cabin air filter. Start by opening the glove box and removing its stops to access the filter housing behind it. Gently pull the housing cover off and slide the old filter out, noting its airflow arrow direction. Insert the new filter with the correct arrow orientation, reattach the housing cover, and secure the glove box stops. Test airflow and enjoy cleaner cabin air. Begin by opening the glove box and carefully releasing the plastic stops so it drops down. Locate the rectangular filter housing and unclip or unscrew the cover with a Phillips screwdriver if required. Pull the old filter straight out, keeping the airflow arrow orientation in mind, and clean any visible debris from the compartment with a rag or vacuum. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing toward the cabin, reattach the cover, and close the glove box gently. If the new filter seems tight, wiggle it gently while keeping the arrow direction correct to avoid bending it. For stubborn glove boxes, inspect for an extra screw near the hinge or a dampener clip on the side that must be removed. After installation, run the fan and smell for any remaining dust. If present, recheck the housing for trapped debris. Regular replacement keeps HVAC performance strong and reduces pollen and dust in the cabin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.